Okay, now let's create a shape like this using sweep tool in Fusion. So I will open Fusion. Now let's create this base. Suppose the base is a octagon. So I will click create sketch. Then choose the bottom plane, this one. Now I will click create polygon, circumscribed polygon. Now draw the polygon. Since it's an octagon, I have to write the number of sides 8. So I will press tab key from the keyboard, then write 8 and press enter key. Now finish sketch. Now I have to create the path. For that again, create sketch. This time I will choose this front plane. Click it. Now create arc, 3-point arc, the first option. From here I'm drawing one arc. So I clicked here. Now the third click is here somewhere. Okay. Now the arc is ready. Now press escape key from the keyboard. Suppose I want to adjust the angle of this arc. I will select the arc, then press D from the keyboard, letter D from the keyboard, and then click, and then I can adjust the degree. Okay, finish sketch. Now use the sweep tool. So I will click create, inside solid, create, sweep. Now for profile, click select. This is the profile. Now for path, click select and choose the path. Now our solid is ready. I can make it perpendicular or parallel. Now this is parallel, this is perpendicular. Click OK.